In this video, I will show you how to delete your Phantom Wallet account. To do this, go and open up Phantom Wallet, and at the top just go and click on account or whatever it says for you. So for me it's account 1, and here you'll then see all of your accounts. Now in order to delete one of them, you do need to first have another one. Now you don't need to do anything with that account, but you just need to have multiple ones. So if I now click add or connect wallet in the bottom, I can just click create new account and then click create. And now just gonna click on the drop down again. So now once you have multiple accounts, on the account you want to delete, click on the edit icon or the pencil. And from here, go and click on remove account and then click remove. Now I would recommend, if you want to be able to recover it, to show the secret recovery phrase and the private key and save those somewhere so that you can later always still import it. But for now, to go and delete it, go and click on remove account and then click remove, and then it will be removed. Now I'll just do it with the second one right here. So you can click remove, and then you can see it is then gone from your Phantom Wallet. So that's how to delete a Phantom Wallet account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.